all in one. This is SNUG. Close the buckle, zip it tight, turn around, and open SNUG inspired by the parachute mechanism. Easy to unfold, put on and adjust it. Done! Put your little loved one in our safe kangaroo-like pouch with ease. Secure it with just one hand. With the unique magnetic mechanism, it's no problem. Roll in the straps. Looking good and comfy with the legs in the M shape. With our patented secure system, your baby will not fall out. But something is missing. The ponchos, the back support, the phone holder, and the bottle holder. With the easy-to-use add-on mechanism, we are suited for every adventure. Sounds good? Then don't wait for it. Fell in love with SNUG and make it yours. With love, SNUG.